You are already aware of the news of the two well-known Thai actors who recently made their relationship official. The couple made their romance public in My Ambulance episode 10. Firstly, let us discuss how the two got to know one another. They claim that they met during a runway event. Tul came there to spot his older friend while Mew was there to serve as a model for his friend. At the time, Mew was a new name, but he changed it to Mew after hearing from a fortune teller that having the letter N in his name would bring him bad luck. Consequently, the two were introduced to as Mew in engineering and Tul in architecture. Mew disclosed that Tul was the one who initially approached him, stating that many chairs were available nearby, but Tul chose to take a seat beside him. Tul responded that he just wanted to chat to someone when the host questioned him why he done it. The two of them attended Chulalongkorn University, where Mew pursued his master's and doctorate in the engineering department while Tul is enrolled in the architectural faculty. They started becoming closer when they were filming the television show The Ocean Eyes Last, where Mew is the executive producer. In this drama, when four energetic youthful marine biologists attempt to establish themselves at a prominent oceanography institute, they find out that one of them has a superpower that could change the direction of history. As they appear together to promote the series, audience began to notice the chemistry between Tul and Mew. Because they were together all the time during the production, they first became friends. Following the completion of the Ocean Eyes filming, Tul will travel to New York to attend Columbia University and complete his master's program. Tul, heading out of the airport, fans assumed at the time that he would only say goodbye to his family or other relatives once. However, it turned out that he did really meet Mew, since the fan speculation was sparked by the photo of them inside the car that was posted after Tul left. Mew was even made fun of in the vlog for crying so hard when they asked him how he felt about Tul departing, which confirmed the fans' theories that Mew actually shed tears that day. His eyes are red in the photo. This is also the source of the jealousy, as fans object to Mew and Tul's recent relationship while Mew is in New York. Mew disclosed in an interview that he had a crush on someone, and it was also at this point that he disclosed every detail about his partner on television. Following this, he was the target of intense criticism, and some people have continued to hate him and say hurtful things about him, since he chose to come honest about his true identity. This year, while they were constantly together, the rumors about them peaked. They celebrated Valentine's Day together by going out to dinner, as they were always together, even at occasions when the majority of guests were couples. Finally, on July 12, 2024, they disclosed their relationship. Subscribe for more videos.